Ekaaro, Eku Ojumo. Good morning, Iba Olodumare. Glory be to the Most High. Today is October 2nd, 2020, and today is Obatala, Egbe, Egungun, Iyaami, Sanponna worship day. And as always, we have to be so grateful for waking up in the morning, seeing a glorious new day. Hold your ori with both hands and say, thank you, Olodumare, for everything. Because remember, gratitude is the altitude that leads you to success. This morning, let's administer prayer for frustration, for the energy of frustration. To be frustrated is a natural feeling, and it's an occurrence that we will face no matter where we are in life, whether we're rich, whether we're mediocre, or whether we're poor. But the way you deal with frustration is very important. You can be frustrated and tear down your whole life with bad character, bad ways, bad talk, bad reaction, bad energy. When I say bad, I mean things that are negative, that are not propelling you forward. You can be frustrated and sit and come up with solution in a positive way that will make you have inventions of newness and creativity beyond even your expectations. So when you're frustrated, before reacting instantly on just emotion, take time to meditate, ponder, and come up with a way that would be successful for your destiny. So with that being said, I pray that even if you are frustrated, that you will have balance, self-love, and wisdom of mind to make it through every obstacle all the days of your life. Ase Ireo.